these lug nuts, use a 22mm socket. Take the tire off. Take the inner fender well out. Just use a trim tool and take these push pins out. Use a T20 socket and take these two screws out. And take a 7mm socket and take this screw out. And slide it out. I'm going to use a pole jack and support the lower control arm. Take some of the tension off the shock. Use an 18mm socket, remove this bolt. Now we'll take this bolt out up top, use an 18mm socket. Grab the bolt. You can compress the shock a little bit. And then you can slide it out. Before we install the shock, you want to compress it all the way down and then let it release, let it extend. And you want to do this 3 times. This is going to get the oil flowing through the shock itself. Get it so it's ready to be in the car. And you can definitely feel a difference sometimes the second time you go down. I'm going to slide this in position. If you want, you can compress it a little bit. Just slide it in. Just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Get that lined up. Get the bolt started. For the bottom, we can raise the control arm a little bit with the pole jack, get the hole lined up, and take the bolt, get that started. Now we can torque the bolts to 81 foot-pounds, the bottom, and then do the same on the top. Lower the pole jack. Now we can put this shield back in. Get it lined up. Take a couple of the push pins, get those started. Make sure they all line up. And get them started on this side. Get those all lined up. Put the screws in, get those both started. Tighten those down. The screw that goes underneath here, the 7mm one, put that in and snug it down. Install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And I'll just go around again, double check.